Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV. I just wanted to show you guys a quick video of my first trading loss for 2020. $324 I'm down. And it's all thanks to thinkorswim. Thinkorswim has been having a lot of execution issues for the past few weeks. And I don't know if it's just me, but actually I know it's not just me because a lot of people have been posting it as well on YouTube complaining about this issue. Also, people have been switching out brokers as of the whole. I know I recently changed to thinkorswim because I've been using them for a long time, and ever since the zero commission, a lot of people have been experiencing these issues, and it's really unacceptable. Anyways, let's get into it. So I was trading yesterday, which was the 4th. Gaps down, tried to get in, didn't get filled. Goes up, changed my my limit order to a market order, still didn't get filled. Again, users, all traders that were using the platform, everyone complained that within the first 15 minutes, you don't get filled. I mean, TD Ameritrade, you really need to look at this. So anyways, so I decided, alright, since I didn't get filled, I will just come back and I will do another trade later on in the day. So the last hour I decided to get in, I put in my 30 shares. Only 5 shares got filled, and usually what happens is every time I execute my 30 shares, most of the time you can tell that the execution speed have been really slowed down, because most of the times I get filled with the full 30. This is like, it's only been happening these couple of weeks or so, and I know a lot of people are complaining about it. So I put in my share, and what you see right here is that I'm getting ready to sell. I was ready to click cancel on my limit order, and then it got filled. Notice that I got 30 shares, 5 got sold, and now I'm 25 down in the hole. So I'm like, you know what, screw it, I'm just gonna cut losses and call it a day. And then I got back in, I saw the futures were ripping, and as you can see here, I was able to recover my losses during pre-market this morning, which was the 5th, which is today, and I sold out 2070 out of my 25 shares that I initially bought from after I sold here. And yeah, I made back my profit. So this is my total profit loss on the day, 528. So which means I got back my $324 that I lost yesterday, plus an additional $202. And that's, you just got to keep it moving. After that, after I sold out this morning, I made my profit. That was it. I didn't trade for the day. I just looked at the market. Yeah, that's my video for today. And if you guys like it, definitely smash that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.